So it has a little bit of modern with this texture. It has some retro in there with these feathered back curls. So we all know that a wig style needs woken up, right? They're asleep in the box. We need to wake them up and give them life. Let's talk about Verona. Now remember, you can find this at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video, expand the description box and you'll find a direct product link labeled Belle Tress Verona. If you click on that link, it takes you right out to the site. You can check out all of the colors and the pricing and make your purchase directly from there. We invite you to shop at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So Verona is very much a mid to long length beach wave style. We've seen this by Belle Tress before. Now, when I first tried this on and checked it out, I thought, wow, this looks a lot like the Caliente 16 in the Cafe Collection line, and I believe that one is now discontinued. So if you do like Caliente, or if you really love that Caliente 16, this would definitely be one to check out because there's some upgraded cap features here you're going to want to know about. It's just kind of a blunt cut. You're not getting lots of layering around the face like you would with Dalgona or the others. So it's about a 15-inch layer off of the front, and then it culminates in a 16-inch blunt cut all the way around. Now it does feature a tousled beach wave. This beach wave is meant to look messy. Now you can take a little brush to this or something just to make these waves appear a little more fluffed out and separated, but you know what? This is the identity of the style. It's not as choppy and reduced on the ends as some of the other shattered styles that we see coming from Belle Tress. Now, I would not consider this one light density. However, I feel like it is very much an average density. It's not overly dense at all. So what I love about it is, and typically I can't really wear a style that's 15 inches in the front. They've taken these back and away from the face, all right? Now this is a heat-friendly style, just like the rest of the City Collection and Cafe Collection. So you could take your curling iron and just work some curls away from the face. But in this case, it was like this right out of the box. In fact, I didn't have to do much coaxing at all to get a little bit of lift and contour right at the front. I think I know why. It's because it has a center monofilament part. An extended lace front, center monofilament part, a really nice, generous parting space. So if you look closely at the lace front, you'll notice that it's knotted every other hole or so within that monofilament lace grid there. And then they do take the highlight up. It's not a banded effect. It just looks kind of thinner at the hairline and then gradually get thicker as you move back. This makes an incredibly natural hairline look. So you can see that extended lace front, absolutely seamless. Weighs about 5 ounces, again, really nicely done. And there's no permatease that I can sense. None of the palpable, soft, pillowy permatease anywhere. So we all know that a wig style needs woken up, right? They're asleep in the box. We need to wake them up and give them life. When I start working a wig, the first thing I do is shake it and rake it, baby. That wakes it up. It brings air into those layers. And the next thing I do is I set about just creating a nice look around the face. All right. We're all going to have an individual preference when it comes to that because we don't all look alike. But I feel like this one is very malleable. We're going to get into some of that in styling. So let's work this style a little bit. I first want to try it with glasses. I love knowing that I can wear reading glasses comfortably and securely. And with the Belle Tress, they never disappoint in this way. If you're a full-time glasses wearer, you know that Belle Tress does offer a nice style for glasses wearers as well. So let's go ahead and I'll just move this around. It'll get you familiar with the density, the movement of this fiber, and inspire you to style and wake up your wigs. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon, right back here on Taz's Wig Closet.